What's going on, kids? Zoe Nick checking out some bikes today. Some drag bikes. Twin Sportster motors, pretty cool. You gotta have some long arms to ride it. Yeah, and short legs. It's nice though.
Peanut.
I love the tank.
Yeah.
Someone did a nice job building it. Nice meaty back tire. You ever taken a drag bike down a strip?
No, not officially
No?
a real one. Not something really nasty.
I think it'd be kind of scary.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially this long. Here's my favorite one though. Look at this, 49. Supercharged Black Shadow. That thing's cool. Like this is cool. Headlight gas tank. 'Cause that's all the amount of gas you need it. This is a really cool. This thing's just insane. Let's see if my light will come on. Nope. I like to have this bike. This is a cool drag bike here. Supercharged. There's the supercharger right down there, running off a belt.
Yeah, probably.
On Bentley. He's got some cool stuff here. Let's see what's over here. He has another building that is filled with bikes, like hundreds of bikes. There's a Porsche, that's pretty nice. Pretty clean. We've got the emblems for the tank. It's pretty nice though, unmolested. Got some more Triumphs back there. He's a Triumph guy, so. But yeah, this is my favorite right here. Oh, he's got another one over here. Nice Harley Davidson. Oh, I'm sorry, Indian. I don't know what that is. Look at this. Old. That's pretty cool too. Good looking patina. Hey, what's this little two-stroke motor?
TZ350.
Oh, cool. TZ350. And a drag bike. It's cool. And here's another aerial, which I'm here, not the original tank. I think that's a Perilla tank. John Jacobson probably would know, but I think that's a Perilla tank. And he's going to rebuild my gearbox. So, but yeah, pretty cool. You got a lot of twin engine. 1, 2, 3, 3 twin engine bikes. All right, guys, I will see you soon next week. All next week, we'll be in Italy at Imo Swap Meet. And then we'll be in Pesaro, Italy for Benelli Week. And then I'll be in Budapest, Hungary. So if you're in any of those places, hit me up, man. Come hang out. All right, see you guys. Have a good day.